I went to Turkey for a hair transplant, but I feel like I need to start from.
I want to make my hair look better. Yeah, I think the first time I noticed that I was having real hair loss was I did a photo shoot with my wife on the beach. I think I first noticed probably on the recession and on my hairline.
Yeah, and it's been like that for 5 years.
Yeah, probably 5 years. You know, some things for hair loss and vitamins. I took what's it called, biotin, collagen, just different supplements to kind of help with my hair loss. And it wasn't until a couple years later that I really noticed how bad it was getting because I shaved my head. The more hair, the better, right?
Not every time, not every time. You will have an ongoing hair loss, and
Okay.
you might lose your playlist in case.
Okay.
You don't want to use your donor capacity recklessly.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
In the future, in 20 years, you don't know where you will be.
I went and I saw the new Hunger Games movie, and the character in the movie, he gets like a buzz cut, and I was like, oh, I want to do that look. That would look so sick. And so I do it, and you can just see right down to my scalp. And I also noticed how much like my hairline was receding. About the shaving.
What's your preference?
Totally up to you. What do you recommend?
We prefer to do it, but we can work it around without shaving. That's back.
Ooh. I want to look good. I'm hoping I just have like super thick hairs. I hope that there's a way for me maybe to do a buzz cut in the future and for it to look really good, like for it to not look like I'm balding.
We need your signature to be able to start.
Let's do it. Signature right there. Here we go. And so when Estee Nove reached out to me, it was a no-brainer for me to do the hair transplant because I want to make my hair look better.